Katanat boarding ke Khubor UAT Mondal hene kesengi ula Pyntip ba Haduh Mynta katanat kampat don kanu ke jing temu ban Myntri kam ya ka load shedding ni ke jing pilip boarding ha ke Jylla.
For two reasons. One reason is because of load shedding. The other reason because of shutdown. Now load shedding means we do not have any source of energy and ultimately we have no option but to go for power cut. The second reason is shutdown. Shutdown happens due to various reasons. And these reasons are maybe conductor snapping, maybe lightning, maybe transformer burning, trees falling on the live wires and all these things. Then our people take shutdown to repair substation, to repair transformer, to repair the lines and all these things. As of now, we have not gone for any load shedding, and we are working to see that as far as possible will not go for load shedding. Our first target was to see that this time board examination, all the board examination should pass without any interruption, and we are happy to say that we have done that. Second thing, we decided that election also should see that there is no load shedding. We have completed that one. Now we are trying our level best to see that we don't go for any load shedding. But as all of you are aware that our major source of electricity is from hydropowers, state-owned hydropowers, and this depends on the rainfall. This year also, like last year, rain is a little bit delaying, and we are just hoping that it should land in Meghalaya maybe in next couple of weeks. And if that is the case, then hopefully we will not go for any load shedding. The mandate from Honorable Chief Minister is that we'll have to provide uninterrupted power supply. We are working on that line. Let us hope that we will achieve. Dense forest line passes through many localities which are having trees and all these things, and due to that this problem happens.
Well, since there is no electricity,
now telling that there will be load shedding will be too early to decide. Let us try to work out to see that we avoid load shedding as far as is possible, and we'll try to do that.
So we are self-sufficient as of now.
If we are not sufficient, we would go for load shedding. Just imagine last year by this time, we were having load shedding for 7 hours in our urban areas and almost 9 hours in rural areas. This year till now we have not gone for any such scheduled load shedding.
But don't you think it is necessary?
Well, that way, that is there, but if we go for load shedding also, you will get angry, and if we don't go for load shedding also, if you criticize, then to go. This is different. Last year we tried to regulate the load shedding so as that with the time we can manage it. This year we prepared from quite long time back that how we will go as per our supply and demand is concerned. Till now we are managing.